and I'll start a stream. So now go to site folder. Okay. We'll see how this is going. Okay. We'll see how this is going. Here we go. Okay. We'll see how this is going. Here we go. Okay. All right, try talking, Zaki. We'll see how this is going.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Here we go. Okay. All right, try talking. Perfect.
1, 1, 1, 1, 1.
Perfect. Okay, I think this is a thing that's happening. Do we have this mostly worked out? Okay, I think this is a thing that's happening. Perfect. Do we have this mostly worked out? That's working out. Okay, I think this is a thing that's happening. Audio input capture. Do we have this mostly that's working out? Okay, I think this is a thing that's happening. Audio input capture. Do we have this mostly that's working out? Okay, I think this is a thing that's happening. Audio input capture. Okay. For whatever reason, it's not picking up my Yeti, even though I know it's there. Okay. For whatever reason, it's not picking up my Yeti, even though I know it's there. Okay. For whatever reason, fine. It's not picking up my Yeti. So now I know it's there. Okay. For whatever reason, fine. It's not picking up my Yeti. So now I know it's there. Okay. For whatever reason, fine. Yeah, now we're cooking. Now we're cooking. So what did you just ask it to do?
To move everything to the folder that we open in the WordPress for desktop.
Yeah, can you? Perfect, yeah. Okay. So now it's saying create a custom WordPress plugin or create a custom theme with dynamic images. So
Do it all.
do it all and just make it happen. Because why
Yeah.
not? Here we go. Now it's creating a WordPress plugin for your pages. It's creating dynamic pages. So hold on, right here, I would go yes and don't ask again. There you go. So MKDir is creating a new folder for you.
Then it will go on all these tasks without asking me, correct?
Yeah, when that similar task comes up again, it'll do it without asking you. One sec, I'm just gonna grab my glasses. Okay. All right, we're still cooking.
Yep.
So now you can see it's going through all this stuff. And the next prompt we're gonna do is, well, I mean, obviously it has some work to do, right? So it's going, man. This is it. What you need to do though now is set it up in a way that you can preview it locally. So your next prompt, obviously it's going through a lot of tokens right now, but your next prompt is going to be to set up a local instance. So what that means is we want to set it up so that way you can see what's happening locally.
So, but I can see it from the WordPress desktop, no?
Yeah, you should be able to. So yeah, we just need to make sure that there's a way for you to see it locally. So open site. Oh yeah. Can you bring that in a little bit?
Yeah, give me a second. You see, it's already created. But let's wait for him to finish working and then we'll see.
Okay. I want these changes to be made to the /test branch so I can test it there before we add it to the main. Okay. Nice, so that's your thing. Okay. Okay, so now does it say to add its own theme or what did it say to do?
Let's go. You want me to activate the plugin?
Yeah, check it out.
Let's see if something changed. Not yet.
Nothing yet.
It's still working.
Is it activated? It doesn't say, the plugin didn't say it was activated.
Oh, because it's still
see, it
bidding
triggered
it.
a fatal error. So go copy that and go back to your system. See, it's still working. It's not done yet, right? So that's probably why it didn't work yet. Because it's not done. If it's not done, you can't do anything.
Yeah.
There you go.
Does it do a deep research like it used to do on Claude Desktop?
It will do some research. Yeah, it'll do all that research for you automatically. Can
Nice.
you? Yeah, some of it is cut off a little bit, but I think it's okay.
Now it's good.
Yeah, you can make it tall, like all the way to the top, if that helps. Yeah, that's good. And there you go. Can you click hide on the Google Meet screen? Yeah, just to get rid of that. Cool, great. So now it's like hurry up and wait, you know? It's a lot of waiting and testing.
Yeah. So few questions, so we can end this part of the streaming, and we need to check if it really streamed on the YouTube.
Yeah.
So let's say I put the prompt, continue, next, don't ask me again, all the good stuff.
Yeah.
That people like me that doesn't understand what they are seeing on the screen doing.
Yeah, yeah.
So after that, I'm going to the WordPress. Oh, do you want to create? Let's start with
So I have to
no.
see, yeah.
And I want to see the, how do they call it?
Okay.
Let's see if you will create a theme for the WordPress, so we'll see the
Yeah, because
graphics.
what we're trying to do is work out a theme, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's eating all my tokens.
Yeah, it is, dude. Real fast. Please use keyframe frequency.
Yeah. Number one, create a custom theme.
Yeah. Okay. So now it's saying create a custom WordPress plugin or create a custom theme with dynamic images. So
Do it all.
do it all and just make it happen. Because why
Yeah.
not? Just make it all happen, man. I am a little
Yep.
quieter than you on this for some reason. I'm gonna see if I can update my settings. What's up, Sanatan? Nice to meet you, buddy.
Amazing meeting you, sir.
We got some people coming to hang out.
Yep.
Okay.
Anybody that was on this streaming, be assured we'll do another one, more professional, so it will be easy to understand what we are doing.
Yes.
Sep is the professional guy. I'm a business owner that trying to get into the AI world, and Sep is helping me. And you guys can take advantage of, instead of paying $2,000 for a course, just go
Yeah.
over the Sep videos and you will know step by step how to do it yourself. And
Yeah.
if you look on the screen and you have headache from what the Claude is doing, you are in the same position I am. But that's why we are starting to do those videos, so it will be easier. And by the way, me and Sep have an idea to open together a channel for really beginners that even cannot understand this. It will be in the future, but as of for now, if you like to learn, just subscribe, like, and go over sub videos. And of course, you can contact him personally, and he will give you the best price on the market for doing it for you.
Yeah.
But you can learn and do it yourself.
That's
Do you
yeah.
want to create a style? Yes. I
See,
want to
and now
create everything.
you're just cooking through making your own, your own website now. There's obviously going to be some
Mhm.
issues and stuff like that that will have to be worked out, but all in all, it's going to be like pretty easy and good to go.
Yeah, and every question you have, you can screenshot,
Mhm.
post it into regular Claude chat or OpenAI chat,
Pretty
and
easy and
ask
good to
him.
go.
Explain to me like
Yeah,
a
and
6 years old, and he will explain to you, and then you can
Yeah.
solve your problem or solve your problem or understand what's your next step. Screenshot, solve your problem or
And
slowly we will get there. It's my first day doing it. Sep today helped me installing it on my computer so I can try. It's my first day doing it.
yeah.
Sep I'm gonna do upcoming week. I will do more videos and you guys will understand it. And we are investing time so I can learn it. You guys can learn it. So like, subscribe,
Like
show
and
us your
subscribe.
appreciation, and put
Like,
on the comments what do you think.
yeah.
Do you want to create a functional PHP? I don't have idea what is it, but I do want you to create it. Yes.
Yeah. You don't need to know absolutely everything to make this happen.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
So Sep, what you were cooking in the last week that I was working so hard on my vacation?
yeah, so I was creating ways to make I was creating some uh, Chrome extensions for possible business ideas, and then I was creating an app as well. Um, because yeah, I wanted to find a way to create some apps. I do feel like if you have an in on a business, or even like a friend who has a business who, you know, have might have some budget to like spend on making their business better, I think there's a big opportunity there to put in some work and just like do some work for them, make something. Don't ask for anything up front, and just, I sent them a little video like, hey, this is what I made. Is this something you're interested in? And if it is, maybe, they could buy it off of you, or license it from you. It's kind of thinking from solutions first is where my head's at right now. I'm always trying to
Mm-hmm.
figure out like, okay, here's, a problem someone might have. Let's take, a half hour, an hour, think of a solution, and and then, try to sell it after. Like, there's nothing wrong with trying to make a sale, you know?
Yeah, yeah. So I'm really connected to that idea. So let's say you develop something, let's stick to the Chrome extension, and you tell me, Isaac, use it for free for 1 month, and I love it, I will pay for it.
Yeah.
So yeah, to create, yes, continue. Don't ask me anymore.
Yeah, no,
Um,
it's this addicting thing where, like, I was working on this until, like, every week, for the last 2 weeks, I will go into this and I'll start working and creating, and you get so excited because it's like you want the next question so you can answer the next question, because as soon
mhm.
as you answer it, now you're on to the next thing. So, and then you get to see all these things it creates, and it's so crazy to think. So,
So the Chrome extension you created was on Cloud Code.
yes, I created a Chrome extension on Claude Code.
Nice. So you did a prompt like, please build me a Chrome extension that will do this and this and this, and then he created it, and then you started to fix it slowly, slowly.
Exactly. And now I have like
Amazing.
two different Chrome extensions, one that I'm trying to sell and the other one that I think I'm going to like create a website for and try to sell it through there.
Nice.
Yeah, it's the best, dude. And once you get started on this, dude, it's so addicting. It's so addicting, man. So, because you don't want to stop, like every time you're on, you can make progress. So,
Okay. It's starting to create a team over here, but I will not press activate yet. Or should I try?
okay, let's see.
Or
How's
let it finish. Do you want to create
front page
front?
PHP?
Yes.
Yeah, I guess,
Oh,
yeah.
he's still working on the front page. Yes.
So what it did was it was building a lot of like the functions of how things are related to each other.
Mm-hmm.
And now that those are created, it'll start to work out some pages. I think, yeah, I mean,
So, by the way, Sam, because we spoke about business
yes.
and everybody needs to earn a buck, I have a quick question to ask you that will help the audience that see this video or the viewers, however you want to call them.
Yeah, all the
Like,
viewers.
what's the best way for a business owner like me that have sort of an idea how he wants to automate, develop, or whatever with AI to his business? What's the best way to him to show you that? Is it to go just, for example, on Lovable, do a small project, the free version, and then to show you this is how I want it, and then you will take it from there and build it professionally?
I think that's a really
Or
good
it's
way of doing it.
black and white description?
I mean, I love a good description, and talking through like what a solution would look like is, really valuable, but it's really like, hey, this is what I want to build. Could you get me an MVP going? Like, I want to get something up and running. A client comes to you, a potential client, they're like, hey, I want to, I have an idea for this. Could you get me something started so I can see what it looks like? And once you get a good view of, what this looks like, yeah, I could take that and I can turn it into an app. I could turn it into, anything, something on the website, a tool, whatever idea you have. And I think that's where we're at right now, is that you have this opportunity now to take these ideas and run with them and have some fun, you know? So, yeah, if you can go onto Lovable and get something started, I would do that. And then, feel free to reach out to me, and I'm happy to put together a plan of like how to make that happen for you, and or even just give you, if you want to try to do it yourself, give you some instructions. I have lots of video on my YouTube about how to get through this stuff and what to do about it. So the options are there. But as you can see with Zaki here, it's a lot of like just clicking the next button. What's the next button? What is the next
Where is
button?
the AI revolution if I need to press next, next, next?
It's just, dude, it's just continuously going, man. It's always going. It's so
Yeah.
crazy. I'm gonna do some research on this because I do want to. I still have some websites that I want to make as well. using
Maybe
this
if you put
process.
in the prompt, make it in one shot without asking me any questions. Maybe.
Here, just like I mean, here, like, go click. Yeah, I guess you could click no here, and you could say, could you ask me less questions and just do this without asking me questions? Like, continue this
Let,
work.
let me try to activate the team to see if it did something. Oh, great. In the middle of the live, my computer mouse is stopping working.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Command
Mm.
Control C. Okay, here you go. Yeah,
Activate. Whoa, nice.
nice. What does this say? Critical issue on the website. So there's still fatal error. Yeah, because it's not done yet, I guess, right? Like, fail
Hmm.
opening is the.
But let's play with it in the. So what I did for anybody that watch, I was without patient. I tried to activate the graphics on WordPress, and it shows me an error. So I stop him from working. I put the error, and because he's so smart, he didn't even get confused. He understand that he still need to continue building the stuff that are missing.
Yeah, it's just gonna keep just
Previous,
give it the error, feed the error back.
yeah, previous models in this position. Do you want to create? Yes. And actually, if you want to first see the graphics and then continue with the project, you can tell it in the first prompt. First, develop the theme that I can see the graphics on WordPress, and when I approve it, continue with the project, and it will do exactly that. I
Yeah,
think, except for now, the live is enough. Uh,
yeah, I think
I
so.
need time to adjust what you teach me and to start playing with it. And you, of course, need to check the sound problem. And if we need to redo it to install again the Claude code and everything, we'll redo the video so the your viewers will have an amazing step to step. And I want all the viewers to understand me and Sep met online because both of us have a passion to learn the AI. Sep
Yeah,
is professional. I'm just a business owner, understanding every business needs to be in the AI revolution. And Sep is helping me. And meanwhile, you guys can enjoy it, but don't enjoy it without doing the clip, the like and subscription.
yeah. Like and subscribe, guys.
Subscribe.
Thank you for joining us today. If you found some value in this, hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe. We're going to be doing more of these live streams because I'm just working on a lot of this code quite often. But I wanted to show you guys, someone who's new to this and some of the first steps in getting started and kind of what to expect. So, yeah, thank you for joining us. Thank you for dropping a like.
Uh,
Whoever just dropped the like, you are an absolute legend. Thank you so much.
and everybody that will say in the comments that I look nice will get a cookie.
Cookies are coming out, guys.
Cookies, okay. Many cookies.
Okay, well, anyways, thank you so much for your time today, Zachy. Good luck on the rest of this. I'm gonna make a quick trip too right now, and I'll be back a little later.
Appreciate.
Okay, I'll see you later, Zachy. I'll be streaming later, so we'll be on.
Okay.
Okay,
Bye bye.